Dears and yes, welcome to TharBar Thars. Dears, in this lecture we will correct the double negation sentences. Then we will learn the logic behind these corrections. First sentence, I do not know nothing about him. It is incorrect form. The correct form of this sentence will be I do not know anything about him. Second sentence, I could not find him nowhere. The correct form of this sentence will be I could not find him anywhere. Question number 3. He does not want none of that cake. It is incorrect form. The correct form will be he does not want any of that cake. Now come to the detailed correction. The use of two negatives to express a single negative idea is wrong. Two negatives lead to a positive meaning. One negative word should therefore be used for the expression of a negative idea. So dears, when you use the double negation, then there will be single positive meaning. If you have to use the single negative form, then there is negative meaning. So always use single negative meaning for the negation purpose. Do not use double negation, because double negation gives you the positive meaning. So be careful.